Hi and welcome to another episode of the Maserati Guy. This is just a really quick video because I thought it was worth recording. I'm trying to implement Bluetooth audio streaming in the GranTurismo. As you may or may not know, the Maserati GranTurismo does have Bluetooth for mobile connectivity and phone calls. Does not have Bluetooth streaming of audio. I've bought one of these Belkin Car Audio Connect devices. I had one of these in my RS4 previously and it worked very well. I used it for the phone as well. On the end of that it has an audio jack, and previously, doesn't have it anymore because I've just cut it off, but previously it had a cigarette lighter adapter. I've just cut the wire off the top there. So I thought it might be quite useful just to demonstrate what I'm doing here. Having taken the insulation off this cable, you can see it's got two copper conductors. They're actually enameled, which means that you have to strip off that enamel first, and you can do that either with a little bit of emery paper, or as I've done here, you can do it with just melting some solder onto it. The red tinted one is the power, and the gold tinted one is the ground. And what I've also done is I've just taken an old USB cable here, cut the end off. There's 4 wires in there. There's a black one, a red one, which is obviously power and ground. And then there's the 2 signal cables, which are green and white. You can just cut those off. So what I'm doing now is I'm just attaching this, because in the Maserati, I'll just go and show you. In the glove box of the Maserati, we have a charging port here and an aux port. That USB port is more than just a charging port. It has data capability as well. So this is the original Maserati iPod adapter. It has the 30-pin cable at the end, and then it has the USB and aux sockets there. I can't really use that. I don't have any devices that use 30-pin connector anymore. And I'm just going to replace the cigarette lighter attachment on the Belkin device with a standard USB plug, so I can power the device from within the glove box. This looks a bit horrible because the insulation on this Belkin conductor is a devil to get off, and doesn't look very neat. But what I'll do is I'll encase it in some heat shrink. That'll make it look nice and tidy, and once it's soldered and encased in heat shrink, it'll be fine. I have joined those 2 wires and now have just put some heat shrink around it. It's probably not my best work, but it'll be hidden in the glove box, and basically it's just got to get a few milliamps to that device to power it on. So let's go and try it out. So in the glove box we have the aux, and so we just stick the USB in there, and then the aux plug goes in the little hole next to it, and you can see that the Belkin's powered on now. If I press it once, it will connect to my phone. It'll probably stop the video. Let's see what happens. So that connected, and now I'm going to look at ways of feeding the cable through the center console from the driver's side under the indicator stalk, somewhere under here, through the center console and into the glove compartment, just to make it a little bit neater. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that without taking panels off, which I don't really want to do, but I'll see if there's anywhere obvious to do that. Now I managed to find a little wire, stiff wire here, and I managed to wiggle it from the other side and push it through the center console here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to attach this to the USB and just pull them gently through to that side. Let's hope it works. So I'll just use a little bit of duct tape to wrap that round, and then I'll use this to pull it gently back through the center console, and hopefully it'll appear the other end. If not, we're in trouble. Just start pulling this very gently, just give it a little wiggle. And there it is. Yay. Yay. Fantastic. So now we can just feed this up into the glove compartment, plug it in, and we'll go back the other side and mount the control unit. And that's a view of the device mounted just behind the indicator stalk on the dashboard there. You just have to press it once when you get into the car to initialize the connection, and then you can stream audio from your Bluetooth phone straight to the in-car entertainment system. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found that video interesting and informative. If you did, don't forget to give the like a click, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.